And now, the mysterious signal from visually identifiable Voyager 1 suddenly became strange. We have received some truly mysterious and strange sounds coming from our space probe Voyager 1. This sound has truly made scientists scratch their heads, and in this video, we will discuss the source of this sound and if this sound is of an extraterrestrial origin. So let's dive in. Before we continue any further, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel. Subscription is a great way of supporting the channel, something which I will be very appreciative of. Thank you very much. So, there is something inexplicable taking place on Voyager 1. Voyager 1 is the most well-known spacecraft from the 20th century. This spacecraft has been in space for more than 50 years now, and was responsible for taking one of the most well-known pictures in space, known as the pale blue dot. However, not so long ago, Voyager 1 sent back a puzzling message to NASA. This signal essentially consisted of a string of number sequences, which NASA scientists have struggled to understand so far. Fans of popular culture have thought of it as a cryptic alien communication. However, the jury is still out, since scientists are still trying to decipher the signal. But first, we should try to understand where Voyager 1 is right now. Voyager 1 is passing through interstellar space right now, and passed by the outer edge of the solar wind's range, which has been called the heliopause in 2012. This does not mean that the spacecraft is out of the sun's gravitational reach and is still within our solar system. The scientists are hoping that the legendary spacecraft will soon begin exploring outer space. But Voyager 1 is also getting old. It is about 15 billion miles away from us right now. Its speed is about 4 times the distance between the Sun and the Earth each year. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, its twin spacecraft, have gone in different directions after going around Saturn in 1980. So, were the signals associated with extraterrestrial life? Project manager at the Voyager mission, Suzanne Dodd, seems to think it's unlikely that the signals could be caused by aliens. In fact, she seems to think that there must be something wrong with the circuitry, which may have led to a malfunction. The whole setup is about 45 years old, and it was almost inevitable that this technology has started to fall apart. In fact, if we think about it, it's quite amazing that the Voyager mission is still alive. The Voyagers are still able to transmit data and can detect any potential anomalies. To be clear, we still do not know if the anomalous signal could be due to the interaction of the interstellar region with the space probe. The signal could very well be a result of the interaction between the magnetic rays of the Sun with the space medium in the interstellar region. Mankind has not been in the interstellar region before, and therefore sending the first probe is a great opportunity for us to begin understanding. Dodd has further remarked that the spacecraft is fully capable of diagnosing when things go awry. The diagnostic system of Voyager 1 seems to think that there is nothing wrong with the system, and yet it is communicating to us in a language which we do not fully understand. To sum it up, there is still much we do not know about what the source of the trouble is. However, the scientists have further investigated the source of the mysterious signal and uncovered that it may be coming from the attitude articulation and control system aboard Voyager 1. This device is responsible for positioning the spacecraft, controlling the thrusters, and orienting the data transmitting antenna towards Earth, so that we are continuously receiving some form of data from the Voyager. As far as the orientation is concerned, the team of scientists back on Earth are still able to maneuver the spacecraft, and the troubleshooting system is still able to detect if something has gone wrong or not. So, overall, Voyager 1 seems to be doing okay. However, the telemetry signal does not make any sense, since it either produces all zeros or the number 377. If there was a general malfunction in the spacecraft, we would see the quality of data deteriorate in general, but that is not the case. Scientists are of the view that there is a mix-up in the flight data system, which has caused the telemetry system to be either mixed up or just go completely nuts. Basically, the team at NASA does not have a definitive answer as to where this disruption is coming from. How will the scientists know what is causing this anomaly? Scientists are now thinking to solve this issue in 2 stages. The first stage is to understand what is the basic reason for this anomaly. If the source can be figured out, then the next steps can also be figured out. This means that the scientists will have to reset the system or back up to some other reliable piece of hardware. Scientists have now realized that they may never know what is causing the undecipherable language in the first place. And if that is indeed the case, then the scientists will move very slowly and will aim to re-establish normalcy at a slow pace. The slow pace of correction is deliberate, so that any issues with telemetry can be carried out eventually. One thing is for certain, mysterious signal or not, Voyager is still sending back valuable data which helps us in furthering our knowledge about space. That takes us to the end of our video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you in the next one.